How to buy cryptocurrency. Buying cryptocurrency is easier than you may think. Here are some simple steps to follow. 1.
Choose a cryptocurrency exchange.
There are many reputable exchanges available, such as Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. 2. Create an account on the exchange. This usually involves providing some basic personal information and verifying your identity. 3. Add funds to your account. You can usually do this via bank transfer or credit, debit card. 4. Decide which cryptocurrency you want to buy. Bitcoin is the most well-known, but there are many others available such as Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. 5. Place an order to buy the cryptocurrency. You can either buy at the current market price or set a limit order to buy at a specific price. 6. Store your cryptocurrency in a secure wallet. You can either use a wallet provided by the exchange or a separate wallet. It's important to note that cryptocurrency is a highly volatile and risky investment. It's crucial to do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Additionally, always be mindful of security measures to protect your investments. How to store your cryptocurrency safely. When it comes to investing in cryptocurrency, you need to take caution to ensure your investments are safe and secure. One of the most important aspects of investing in cryptocurrency is learning how to store your digital coins safely. Cryptocurrency exchanges are not the safest places to store your digital coins, and it is highly recommended that you store your coins in a digital wallet. Digital wallets are secure storage solutions that allow you to store your digital coins offline, away from the internet, where they are not susceptible to hacking attempts. There are different types of digital wallets available, ranging from hardware wallets to software wallets, and each comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Hardware wallets are physical devices that look like USB sticks and are designed to store your digital coins offline. They are generally considered the safest way to store your coins as they are not connected to the internet, and therefore cannot be hacked. Software wallets, on the other hand, are digital wallets that are installed on your computer or mobile device. They are more convenient than hardware wallets, but are not as secure. When choosing a digital wallet, it is important to research and compare different options to find one that meets your needs. Factors to consider include security features, ease of use, and compatibility with the cryptocurrencies you want to store. It is also important to back up your wallet to prevent the loss of your digital coins in case you lose your device or forget your password. Overall, storing your cryptocurrency safely is crucial to protecting your investments. By choosing the right digital wallet and taking the necessary precautions, you can ensure your digital coins are safe and secure. How to track your cryptocurrency investments. Tracking your cryptocurrency investments is an important step to help you stay on top of your portfolio performance. You can use various methods to track your investments, including cryptocurrency exchanges, portfolio trackers, and mobile apps. One of the most convenient methods is to use a cryptocurrency exchange that offers portfolio tracking services. Most exchanges provide you with real-time updates on the value of your portfolio, as well as information on your individual holdings. This makes it easy to keep track of your investments in one place. Another option is to use a dedicated portfolio tracking tool. These tools allow you to manually enter your cryptocurrency holdings, track their performance over time, and receive alerts when prices change. Some popular portfolio trackers include Blockfolio, Delta, and CoinTracking. Finally, many mobile apps now offer cryptocurrency portfolio tracking services. These apps allow you to easily monitor the value of your investments on the go, and some even offer alerts and notifications when prices change. Whichever method you choose, remember to regularly monitor your investments, make adjustments as necessary, and stay informed about market trends and news. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to successful cryptocurrency investing. Tips for successful investing in cryptocurrency. Investing in cryptocurrency can be an exciting and potentially profitable venture, but it's important to approach it with caution and a solid strategy. Here are some tips to help you navigate the world of cryptocurrency investing. 1. Do your research. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, do your due diligence and research the market. Look at the coin's historical performance, its market capitalization, and any news or events that could impact its value. 2. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Invest in a variety of cryptocurrencies and other assets to spread your risk. 3. Set realistic goals. Cryptocurrency investing can be a volatile market, so set realistic goals for your investments. Don't expect to get rich overnight, and be prepared for ups and downs along the way. Point 4. Keep track of your investments. Use a cryptocurrency portfolio tracker to keep track of your investments and monitor their performance over time. Point 5. Keep your emotions in check. It's easy to get caught up in the hype and excitement of the cryptocurrency market, but it's important to keep your emotions in check. Don't let fear or greed drive your investment decisions. Point 6. Stay up to date with news and events. The cryptocurrency market can be influenced by news and events around the world. Stay informed and up to date on the latest developments to make informed investment decisions. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of success in the world of cryptocurrency investing. Remember to approach it with caution and a solid strategy, and always be prepared to adapt to changing market conditions.
Conclusion and final thoughts.
In conclusion, investing in cryptocurrency can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and potentially earn a high return on investment. However, it's important to do your research and understand the risks involved before making any investments. One of the key strategies for success in cryptocurrency investing is to stay updated on the latest news and market trends. Keep an eye on new developments in the technology, as well as any regulatory changes that may impact the market. It's also important to set realistic expectations and not invest more money than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrency is a volatile market and prices can fluctuate rapidly, so it's important to have a long-term investment strategy and not panic when prices dip. Finally, remember that investing in cryptocurrency should be viewed as a long-term investment, and not a get-rich-quick scheme. With patience, persistence, and a well-informed strategy, you can navigate the world of cryptocurrency investing and potentially reap the rewards. We hope that our beginner's guide to investing in cryptocurrency has been helpful in your investment journey. Cryptocurrency is an exciting, yet volatile space, and investing can seem daunting at first. However, with the tips and strategies we've provided in this article, you should be able to start investing confidently. Remember to do your research, invest only what you can afford to lose, and diversify your portfolio. We wish you the best of luck in your cryptocurrency investments, and we look forward to hearing about your success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button for more videos.